Okay, welcome back. We were asked to write this expression as a single logarithm. So these are natural logarithms. So we have our ln, and ln9. So the first thing you need to do is for you to remember the laws of logarithm. Okay. So what does it mean? Remember here, which is 1 over 3 ln8 minus ln3 plus learn 9, or you can also call it lane 3. So what do you have to do here? Now remember, in our law of logarithm, where you have n log, let's say x. So this is the same thing as log x power n. Okay, so this power will come over here. So we do the same thing with this natural logarithm. So we now say lane 8 power 1 over 3 minus lane 3 plus lane 9, right? So if we simplify this, this is going to give us lane 2, right? Because 8 raised to the power 1 over 3 is 2, then minus lane 3 plus lane 9, sorry. So, and remember, in our law of logarithm, where we have log, let's say 2 plus log 4. This is the same thing as log 2 over 4, right? So we are going to do that with the first two terms. So you start from the right, then to the left. So we do it to the first two terms. So where we have lane 2 over 3, then plus lane what? 9, this 9.